Hi, this is Autumn at A&D Homestead. Today we are in the sheep barn. Today's topic is 3 reasons why I love owning sheep. This is a fraction of my flock. I have about 50 right about now. First reason is they reproduce really quickly, so you get your monies back fairly quickly because they're only pregnant for 5 months, and then you can wean them off at like 2 months if you do it right. They also don't eat as much as other larger livestock, and they are a bit easier to fence than goats. They can respect a 3-wire, maybe even a 2-wire if your fence is hot enough. They also don't need as much infrastructure as larger animals. I can fit 50 in this barn right here. It goes a bit further out that way. This is our sheep barn. It can house up to 80 sheep, I think, and it also has hay storage and great ventilation. So the windows over there, you can just crank them down to get better air quality, because if you have bad air quality, you have unhealthy sheep. This is just a few reasons why I love having sheep. If you enjoyed this or have any questions, comment below and like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you!